Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be diving into the world of rare 50 euros cent coins, specifically focusing on three exceptional ones: the Greece 50 euros cent 2002, the Italy 50 euros cent 2002, and the Germany 50 euros cent 2002. Stay tuned as we explore their history, rarity, and current market value in heritage auctions. Let's get started. Our first coin is the Greece 50 euros cent coins from 2002. These coins feature iconic Greek symbols and designs, making them a popular choice among collectors. Although the 2002 Greece 50 euros cent coins were minted in large quantities, certain variations or minting errors can make them more valuable to collectors. Additionally, coins in uncirculated or near mint condition are highly sought after by collectors, increasing their market value. It fetched an impressive sum of $100,000. Yes, you heard it right, $150,000. This goes to show the high demand and value that collectors place on rare and well-preserved coins like this one. Next up, here it is, the 2002 Italy 50 euros cent coin. This coin, part of the euro currency introduced in 2002, carries a rich heritage and historical significance. When it comes to determining the value of a coin, condition is key. A coin in good condition, like this one, with minimal wear and clear details, holds a higher value among collectors. As of the current market trends, the 2002 Italy 50 euros cent coin in good condition is valued between $200,000. However, please note that coin values can fluctuate based on market demand and other factors. This coin represents Italy's cultural heritage and the shared history of European nations coming together under the euro currency. Last but not least, we talk about the value of this coin. The 2002 Germany 50 euros cent coin is part of the European Union's common currency, the euro. Germany, being one of the founding members of the Eurozone, has a rich numismatic history. On the obverse, you'll find an eagle, the symbol of Germany, surrounded by the 12 stars of the European Union. It's a simple yet elegant design that represents unity among European nations. Now, let's get to the exciting part: the value of the 2002 Germany 50 euros cent coin in good condition. Please keep in mind that the value of coins can fluctuate, so it's essential to check the current market prices. At the time of this video, a 2002 Germany 50 euros cent coin in good condition can fetch you anywhere from $300,000 to $400,000 if you're selling it to a collector or through an online marketplace. However, if it's in exceptional condition or has some unique features, value could be higher. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to never miss an update from our channel.